some cat bass in here. What I have is my bass pole with a bass lure at the end of it. And I'm sitting and waiting for a bass to pick it up. Kind of like catfishing, but not really. But you're catching bass. So I'll pause it when I have a hit. Resume when I have a hit. Well, a big bass just took my bluegill, so I'm gonna have to go back and. Okay, you see that? Means I have a hit. I'll show you the bass if I ever catch him. Never mind, that's my bluegill. Apparently he's very energetic. My lawn's taut and everything, so I'll check. Yeah, it's just my bluegill. So reel up some slack here. There we go. Reeled up some slack, and there's a big ripple over there. And it's still going. Went over there to the 3 logs.